Hello students, today we are going to learn about shapes. In the end of this video, you will be able to understand symmetrical shape, line of symmetry, asymmetrical shapes and symmetry in alphabets. So, let's start. Such shapes which can be divided into two equal halves are said to have a symmetry along the dotted line, and shape is known as symmetrical shape. Students, here you can see this is the shape. This line is known as dotted line, and this line is divided this shape into two equal halves. So, this shape is known as a symmetrical shape, and the line which divided the shape into two equal halves is called as line of symmetry. Now, here you can see some shapes and line of symmetry as well. Here the shape is circle, pentagon, rectangle, triangle, heart and square. You can see this line of symmetry is divided this shape into two equal halves. So we can say that this shape is a symmetrical shape. Now you can see some example which is used a line of symmetry in real life as well. Butterfly, tree, leaf, insect. Now, shapes which do not have any line of symmetry are called asymmetrical shape. Students, here you can see both examples, symmetrical shape and asymmetrical shape. Students, you can see this shape. This line is divided this shape into two equal halves. But this line is not able to divide this shape into two equal halves. So, this shape is called as asymmetrical shape. Now, we move for the next example. Here you can see some example of symmetrical shape as well as asymmetrical shape. Now, we have to learn about find the line of symmetry. In triangle, you can see there are three lines of symmetry. In square, 1, 2, 3, 4 line of symmetry. Students, here you can find some shapes, and in that shapes you can find line of symmetry. For example, in square, 4 line of symmetry, rectangle, 2 line of symmetry, rhombus, 2 line of symmetry and many more. Now, line of symmetry in alphabets. Students, here you can see that in alphabets also they are divided into one or two equal parts. Some lines are vertical and some lines are horizontal. So here you can see some example. In G, J, K, L, F, N, P, Q, R, S and Z. These alphabets have no line of symmetry. I hope students, now you will be able to understand about the shapes. Thank you.